Good morning, everybody. Just leaving the shelter here at Tri Corner and making my way up to Cosby Knob Shelter today, which again is a pretty short day, but I feel like yeah, definitely won't be making it to Devonport Gap because that's 25 k's and my leg is killing me. So managed to get into the physical therapist for Monday, so just going to eke out the next few days of free accommodation at the shelters until I can get a hitch into Newport. More of the same today, but still pretty nonetheless. And still going up the rocky road. Oh, looks like a little baby Christmas tree. Definitely a bit Smoky Mountain out there today. Very reduced visibility. So I think this is actually a helicopter landing spot. So if you're going to break your leg or have a heart attack, here's the place to do it. So it says in the far right up that this was the site of a US Air Force plane crash back in the early 1980s. I'm not sure if that's any wreckage down there, but it's in the vicinity here somewhere. Apparently a bit hard to spot from the trail. Ooh, Snake Den Ridge Trail. So the landscape's starting to change. Going through more rhododendrons and the firs are spreading out. Seeing a bit more sun. And I think going downhill, nice sort of easy grade at the moment, but definitely feel like coming out of the Smokies. It's taking a little break. One thing that I can't get enough of at the moment is Cliff Bars. I've never had them until I was on the trail, but I really, really like them. There's so many different flavours. So today I'm having caramel macchiato. Oh, now I'm in a bit more of a jungly bit, which is quite pretty. Still going down. There's a few surprise ups, but I think generally this is going to be what it's like until I get to camp, and then same again tomorrow till I get to Devonport Gap. There's quite a few of these freaky looking mushroom thingies that have attached themselves to trees around here. But the funny thing is that They're very hard. I'm not quite sure what they are. And there's home for tonight. Heading into Cosby Knob Shelter, which for a while there I thought it was called Cozy Corner Shelter, but don't think it's particularly cozy, so I'll stick with Cosby Knob.
Rookie. I'm rookie.
I've seen law enforcement drive like all the way to the shelter.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's quite cool.